This week I came to the front desk doctor, and it really opened my eyes to some of the stuff. Like, the front desk is really the heartbeat of our business, and just being here this weekend has helped me really put some energy into that. I've spent a lot of this year putting my energy into my service providers and that kind of stuff, and just being here this weekend really tied it all together, and you really can't do it without your front desk. So what an amazing program you have put in place to really help us focus on those things. I'm super excited to get back to the salon today or tomorrow, and one day at a time, putting all the systems in place. I cannot wait. Thank you guys so much. It was awesome.
This has really inspired me and helped me breathe a little bit, because I felt like our front desk was a bit of a black hole in the salon and spa. And what I mean by that is I was putting out a lot of money as far as payroll, but not getting anything back from them. So I think that the systems that I'm learning are going to help me a lot in the way that when I implement them, it's going to make my front desk staff more accountable, and it's going to excite them a little bit when they see that they've got goals and they can be rewarded for that. And I'm very excited to get that started. Thank you so much.
The takeaway I got from it is triple win. And educating the staff on what the triple win is and how it can work better in our salon.
We need to install more retail knowledge to our desk staff and print out our top 20 retail products.
We need to treat our retail area as a store and not just a retail area.
And switch up our verbiage a little bit.
I think the thing that I liked the most was talking about the intelligent verbiage and how much of a difference that can make. It's not what you say, it's how you say it, and I look forward to seeing where this all goes.
It's Carol from Salon Hair Spa. I just want to tell you how much I appreciated everything we learned this weekend, and we're looking forward to implementing them immediately in the salon. We've worked on our scripts and can't wait to see the results.
Hi there, my name is Stephanie. I'm a salon manager at a salon in Birmingham, Michigan, and I just want to say that the front desk doctor was probably the most beneficial 2 days I've had since I started working in the salon industry. They gave me so many tools and tricks and verbiage and everything I would need to have a successful front desk staff, to make my stylist more successful, to make my salon company as a whole more successful. I'm very grateful and excited to have the opportunity to instill all of these tricks and everything I learned over those 2 days into my staff, to see where it would really just see the benefit that it could have.
Hi Christy, Jessica Warwick's JW Salon. I figured I'd make this fun. I had major ahas, a lot of wins, and a lot to take back from this class. It was really great to see a lot of new luxury language that we have, but we haven't implemented. The tracking thing was 100% huge for us, and it's going to definitely be resourceful. So I thank you for that. And we really appreciate your guys' knowledge, your time, and also the success of Summit, because it makes us successful too.
I just got out of a 2-day seminar of Front Desk Doctor with Christy Venezuela and her team. I went into this seminar with front desk employees, and I came out with customer service experts. I'm very excited to implement this into my salon. I have to just tell you, I encourage any owner to take their staff to get exposed to this seminar with Christy and her girls, and it is worth the investment.